In the latest release of Business Cloud Essentials, you can now email multiple recipients as part of the document print and send function. And you can also specify the send from address, along with some other custom features. You can set up multiple from email addresses in the company settings, storing up to 3 options. The first 2, main contact details and accounts contact details, are globally set for all users. The third option for individual users is pulled from the email which is set against the user account. There's even an inbuilt verification process to ensure email addresses conform to a valid format. You can then choose a default from address, as well as CC and BCC email addresses, which can be used to provide an internal audit of email traceability. The default to address is defined at customer or supplier account level. Make sure the preferred contact method is set to email. Now let's look at a sales invoice example. When you send an invoice, the from email address is set to the default option. But this can be changed to one of the other 2 options using the drop-down. The to email address is set from the BCE customer account. You can replace or add additional email addresses from a drop-down list of all the contacts associated with that customer account. And additional email addresses can be manually entered as well. The CC and BCC email addresses are populated using the default CC/BCC email addresses that are set up in the company settings. You can enter a custom subject title for the email, as well as amend and format the main content of the email body. And if you need to send any supporting material with your email, you can add attachments. And before sending, the email can be previewed to the right of the email properties. And here I can see the email that was sent, including the customized email body and the attachment details. There are also master options when processing multiple documents. As before, the from email address is set by default from the company or user settings, but can be amended. The master subject feature will update the subject for all selected emails. Use of a hashtag no tag permits a generic message to be sent to each email recipient where the tag is replaced by the actual document number being emailed. The master body will give all selected emails the same content. The files attached to the master attachments will be sent to all recipients. At individual email level, the to address, along with CC and BCC, will follow the same rules as for individual emails. The subject line is inherited from the master subject, but can be changed on a per email basis. But note, any change made to the master subject will immediately overwrite the individual email subject entry. Then each email can be previewed to the right of the email properties to confirm the content before sending.